Your Honor, if there is an iota of truth, ayuta lang, baski konti lang, you can find out, may nilagay siya ng record. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang to summon the banks pursuant to my waiver. Kung may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks, pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask